All right, now wait a minute.
I know she's gonna ruin it.
She is good.
Once more, Charles Nelson Riley has gotten me to make a fool of myself on network
This
television.
just came from all of us to you.
Oh.
It's you've heard of the changing of the guard?
Yes.
This is the famous moment in our show where we change our sign to make way for match game 79.
Now, you gonna change the sign? Now, wait a minute. Hold everything now. No, everything's gonna be all right. I'll give you a hand here, Charles. You're unscrewing the old one there, and it's all unhooked.
Okay.
Yes, right. All right. There it is.
A happy and healthy New Year to
Thank you.
everybody.
Happy New
and
Year.
Thanks for watching.
Yes. It don't work, Fred. It don't work. Is that it? You got it plugged in now.
Is it on?
Is it on?
Turn it on!